What's up with it, y'all? Hopefully y'all having a great day. It's Big Boss coming back with another video. Okay, but in today's video, we are talking about another Dua brand fragrances. You know, I had bought 4 of them when I had got it. So I just want to make sure I tackle all 4 of these fragrances. I really got like a lot of fragrances to review. But in today's video, we are talking about chilling by the fireplace by Dua. Okay, this is inspired by a Louis Vuitton fragrance. Okay, let me go ahead and get into this review. Straight out the gate, this fragrance is a aromatic fragrance, like an aromatic sweet fragrance. Okay, so if you like aromatic and sweet fragrances, you gonna like this. Okay, now let's talk about that intensity. Okay, because that's what we also care about when it comes to fragrances like this. This costs $55, and usually $55 fragrances don't last that long. But when it comes to this fragrance, I can say it's moderately strong, and I think it's because of the citrus notes they got inside this fragrance. Okay, such as citron, orange, lemon, mint, black currant, apricot, coriander, them type of scents like that. Anytime you got a real citrus fragrance, it's going to project. Okay, something about citrus fragrances, it project. All right, now this fragrance right here, a little floral for some reason. Like it's real floral, oceanic kind of like it's like if you could put sweet ocean inside a bottle, this is what this smells like. It kind of reminds me of Sprite as well. Okay, now what I can say about this fragrance, it's not that complex. Okay, it's not that complex. Okay, you're not gonna spray this fragrance on and it smells one way and it's gonna dry down to something else. This fragrance is real straightforward. Okay, it doesn't have that many multiple layers. Okay, but look, the longevity is what we really care about. It's gonna get you about like 4 to 6 hours, not all day. And if you want this to be a beast, you might want to reapply this fragrance every 2 hours. So $55, you're not getting a real long-lasting fragrance. Okay, you're getting something kind of cool, kind of aight. But where would you wear this at? Okay, Chris. Okay, it lasts this amount of time. It got this amount of intensity. Where would I wear this? So the occasion I would wear this fragrance would be to the beach. This is like a vacation type fragrance. I can see myself on the beach, sipping margaritas, riding jet skis. I'm in Miami. I'm actually in Miami's clubs as well. Miami gyms, just real sunny, fruity, tropical situations. I will wear this fragrance on. I want to be outside too. I don't think this fragrance will be good mixed with inside air. Okay, you want to wear this fragrance outside so it can mix with the smell of the breeze, the smell of the trees, the real smell of the water, and then you got this on top of it. That's going to be a real good blend. Okay, I will also wear this fragrance for like spring and summer. Keep it in the warmer weathers. I wouldn't really wear something like this in the fall and winter time. But if you have them fall and winter times where it's hot year round, then you know what to do. So keep this fragrance above 65 degrees, and I think you're gonna be in there. So it's turning out to be a good little citrus sweet fragrance, right? Okay. Now what's the mood? Let's get into the mood. The mood of this fragrance is gonna make you feel energized. It's gonna make you feel confident. You put this on, you feel spunky. You know what I mean? Like you just want to get down and dance. Kind of feel like something Prince or Lenny Kravitz would wear. Real rock star vibes. You feel me? Overall, I will wear this. Go outside, I will wear this. I will layer this with other fragrances. I can see me having Dior Sauvage. Like, because this is so sweet but aromatic, I would want to mix this with a really, really aromatic fragrance, like something that's purely aromatic. Like I said, Dior Sauvage, YSLY, Versace Denim Blue, Louis Vuitton Imagination. Mix this fragrance with another ocean fragrance just to bring that breeze up. Especially if you want to wear this indoors, you have to mix this fragrance with another fresh fragrance. Okay. Now, this fragrance is sold out. So make sure you hit up the Dua brand. Tell them, hey, bro, drop it before I raid y'all. They should be scared and they should drop it. Okay. I'm Big Boss. If I was going to rate this fragrance out of 10, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Hopefully y'all like this little review. I like it. And if y'all do like this review, like, comment, and subscribe. The more likes I get on this video, the more traffic come to my page. We grow and you grow as a person. All right, I'm Big Boss. Love y'all, and I'm out.